Welcome to another video, Toxic Garage. We are finally starting. We're now about to start cleaning the engine bay. Look at how dirty the engine bay is. Damn.
The before and after.
This is the before and after engine bay cleanup. So I'm gonna start taking some stuff off, like this thing, and little things like that. Make things look real clean, and then we're gonna paint it and paint over there and make it look nice and pretty. So we're about to start the process now. Let's begin. First pass, it came out a lot, but still dirty. So we just sprayed a little bit some more. Now I'm gonna start scrubbing it. You hit it with the pressure washer, and then this guy is coming with some crazy stuff. ¿Tiene pintura? Pero si tú le tiras la gasolina, va a derretir.
No,
Oh, sí.
Nada.
Sí, después se va a poner.
Ellos tienen como 2 hoyos el pan, échale en el hoyo el pan.
Pues tráeme un joyo pan. Tráeme un joyo pan. Yeah, so I mean it's looking better, but things gotta be spotless. Right? So here's the final product. After this detailed washing session that we gave. So I mean I'm still gonna paint it though, but at least I'm gonna paint it over good surface. You know, it won't be oily or anything like that. So now that we finish here, we're gonna pull the car back and we're gonna go to the garage and we're gonna start working on the engine. So we're continuing. The rain is coming. It's gonna come hard, but my dad just got here. So we just put the water pump, the pulley, tensioner. We just painted, you know, a little bit of the block. And right now we're about to yeah, just got a call. So I'm feeling the raindrops. We got my dad working his magic here. Now we're doing it a stock bottom end on a built head. So we're not trying to go crazy power. We just want about 600, and I know for a fact that this block can take the 600 horses. So he's aligning the rings so we can drop number 1 and number 6 first, and then we'll so on and so forth. So piston number 1 is officially in. ¿Me explica qué es lo que tú estás haciendo ahí?
Bueno, estamos alineando los bearings, los aros de los pistones, ponerlo como van para entonces ensamblar el bloque.
Entonces eso tiene una forma de poner una posición.
Claro. Aparte de eso, le estamos metiendo el Stock Secret Garage aquí. Don Secret Garage.
Don Secret, tiene todavía el sticker ahí de él.
¿De qué tengo el sticker?
El sticker en las gafas.
Ah, no, pero eso es algo de hardware.
Ya, ahí está. Ahora está a la moda. So we just put number 1, we're about to pull number 6, and then we'll do this one and this one, then we'll finish with the 2 in the middle. And then we'll tuck everything down. And then we're gonna put the head. Whee! ¿Qué busca?
Estoy buscando el comprimidor.
¿No estará aquí abajo? No, aquí no está.
Carajo.
Y mira que era esto. Espérate, déjame. Por abajo.
Oh.
Dale. ¿Tú le echaste grasa?
Sí.
Ok.
Ahora hay que echarle grasa al bearing, al otro capa.
Mira el capa ahí.
Pero se ve los tornillos. Acuérdate, mirando para acá.
Remember when you put this, you see that indentation kind of like right here. I can't even show you, but like right here, that part right there, that one needs to go facing the crankshaft to the front. So I'm gonna turn it around and goes like that, you see, facing to the front of the engine. Me cayó un tornillo.
No sé dónde cayó.
Mira ahí. Limpiar ahí por encimita. Alright. We just finished. All the pistons are in, all 6. And right now we're taking the bolts out from the ARP head studs. And we're about to drop the head, but we're not gonna torque it. We're gonna torque it tomorrow because it's about to rain really, really bad. So I just want to get everything out of the Supra. So we're gonna put the head, not torquing, and tomorrow we're gonna continue torquing the head and installing the rear sump and all that stuff over here. So hopefully this weekend we're gonna install everything everything we got so far on the Supra. All right, so we just dropped the head in here. We haven't torqued it yet. You see, it doesn't have the bolts in there, but we just threw it in there, and with the ARP stud and everything, it's looking good now. Tomorrow we're gonna continue, so we're gonna end this video here. We don't want to make it really long, but trying to finish that car within a month, so let's see. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Papa, thank you. He's always coming here and giving me a hand. Siempre me está ayudando. Gracias. And hopefully next video you guys should see this engine in there with the CD009 transmission already, dry shaft, everything ready to go. Tomorrow we're dropping the oil pan and all that stuff. All right, again, thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.